What's up, amigos? Today we have the aerodynamics of one of those banana peels that you put on the track when you're playing Mario Kart, and then like the other person slips over, and then they spin out, and then you get a bit of an extra head start. And we have the Y plane going through the banana peel, and it's colored in the U magnitude going from 0 to 25 meters per second. And we can see that the first little banana peel part, the leg, has almost no wake. It's only until we get to the rest of the banana peel that the wake becomes appreciable. So that's quite interesting. And then the other two banana peel legs, that you do have quite a big wake on those two, and that's because the first banana peel has a little bit of a wake, and then it hits the second banana peel leg, and then that exacerbates that wake section. Whereas the first banana peel, also because it's oriented to the side in the Y direction, the flow doesn't really see any real bluff body, because the rest of it, the entire cross section is really fairly curved and streamlined. Whereas the other two banana peel legs, because they're oriented not exactly in the Y direction, there's a bit of a bluffness to them. So that's quite interesting. And then the rest of the banana peel has some acceleration around it, but then a fairly big wake. And now these are streamlines showing the wake, and you can see underneath the banana peel, because there's quite a big opening, there's a lot of streamlines that go underneath, and they get almost unaffected at all. But interestingly, as they go downstream, they mix with other streamlines which are part of the wake, and they get taken down in terms of their velocity as well. So they go from like 25 meters per second all the way down to like 5 meters per second, even lower. That's because they're having to mix with other slow-moving flow. And the rest of the streamlines, they wrap around the rest of the banana peel, like the main section, and they roll up a little bit. And these animated streamlines show that the top half of the banana is quite good in terms of its wake. It's just really the bottom half, or maybe the bottom 2/3, you'd say, where most of the drag does come from. Unless you go underneath the banana in that little opening between the legs, that's quite streamlined too. So it's not bad. There is some badness to it, but not completely bad. So that's the end of this CFD simulation. Make sure to like, subscribe. And if you do experiments, or you need to do experiments to get data to validate your CFD, make sure you accurately measure the density of air, because that changes quite a lot every day by 2 to 4%. In podcast number 54, we go through how that affects flow physics and forces on streamline and buff body in general. So check that out, and I'll see you in the next simulation. Peace out, amigos.